In this video, we will implement the display details method and call it from our demo method, right? We will create the objects, right? So in previous video, I missed this semicolon here, so I need to put the semicolon in line number 20, and now I'm gonna implement this display details method. So I put s out with 3 double quotes, right? So that 3 double quotes means so it will display the text in console as same it is, right? So instead of this println, the println means print line, so it will print line by line. So that means basically println means it will print some text and then go to next line, right, for the next print. Okay, so instead of println I put printf, right? So that means print format. So I need to I'm going to mention that name, right, is sorry, not dollar, actually this one is percentage s. That percentage s means it's a variable which is expecting s means string, right? At this point it's expecting string, comma, then I can say nic nic dollar s, it is also expecting a string, and thereafter I can say average grade, right, comma, average grade, right, dollar, sorry, percentage d means digit, right, average grade. So then put a separate comma here, and I will put name, name nic, and uh, uh, average grade to this point, right? So I'm going to call display details method. Okay, so now I'm going to demo example, right? So in Java, you can run the Java program through the main method, right? So that main method should be a public static and void, and that name should be main, and it's expecting to pass a string argument parameter, right? So you can further study why it should be static void main and it should be public, and why is that name should be main, and why it's expecting a string argument parameter as mandatory, right? So you can study on your own. And at this point I'm going to create object of a student class, right? So I will create my first student std1 is equal new student. Okay, so now I'm going to call the parameterized constructor, right? I put the name as John here, and I put nic as 199.243 like something, right? And I put address as Colombo, just one up, right? And I put a semicolon here. So now student one object has been created, and now we can say std1 dot set average grade. Now so now I'm going to set the average grade, that my average grade is 65, right? It's expecting to pass integer value, right? So then I will call display details method, right? So now I'm going to save it and run this. So you can run the main method. So I run this method. So once I run this method, you can display that text at the console at name John, nic 1992 something, average grade as 64, right?